fancy. Your girl is back with yet another vlog, you guys. I'm really super excited about this particular vlog, y'all. I've been having this idea for a while now, but I wasn't able to find what exactly I was looking for. But then lo and behold, I found it, and I was like, this must just be a sign for God for me to just go ahead and get this done and do it. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, baby. So I know you guys are probably wondering, what is this new thing that you did? And it's basically a new update that I did into our home, you guys, and it is my dining room area. I don't know if you guys know, and I'm gonna insert a before picture because I don't think I got the before. I went ahead and I started taking down the picture frames and everything, and then I just started, you know, working on the wall and stuff like that, y'all. But I'm gonna drop a before on here so that you guys can see exactly how the dining room looked before and how it is looking now, you guys. So I'm gonna drop a little bit of detail. So I went ahead and I found this amazing looking wallpaper. So if you guys don't know, like, y'all probably already figured it out. In my house, it's sort of like very moody aesthetic. I don't know, I would call it sort of like a mid-century modern home, if I'm corrected. I believe that's what I'm thinking. But again, I don't really know. I mean, you guys could drop that down below. I'm not really good with categorizing what exactly my home looks like. I know that I have a lot of blacks, a lot of woods, and a lot of metals. So there you go. Went ahead and I found this really, really nice wallpaper. I'm not gonna tell you guys the exact design right now because I want you guys to tune in. It goes with the vibe. It is the vibe, and I'm so, like, I'm looking at it right now, you guys, and I'm so very pleased. This wall is not completed. This is just the beginning. Like I said, I'm gonna take my time with it. Like I said, you guys, when you want to do something, if it's rushed, it's not gonna look right. You just want to make sure you take your time and everything like that. And that's exactly what I am trying to do on this particular project. But I just wanted to show you guys the first process. Make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification button, give this video a thumbs up for your girl, and I hope that you guys all enjoy the video. So all right, you guys, in case you were wondering, this is what it looked like before, you guys. I'm so sorry I had to crop the picture just to fit it on the screen. So not bad, but not my best, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and get started. Also, I'm just going to put this out there. This is not going to be a how-to video. I just basically want to show everyone the process of me, you know what I'm saying, applying the wallpaper and then the finished product. If you want to see a how-to video, please just go ahead and put that information down below. And I promise on the next video, or if I'm doing another project, I'll make sure to drop the details into the video. But like I said, you guys, this isn't going to really be a how-to. So that's enough babbling on for me. Let's go ahead and get started into the video. Make sure you stay tuned. You guys want to see the ending and the finished product.
The face dripping like Selena, always chiefing on sativa. I don't care about it all. I just hit the pack and go. Look, Tesla skirt whipping all across the countryside. She from the valley, probably spend all of her daddy's money. Why? She gon' put it on her face and she burning on the side. Instagram model status. She was born up in July. After party at Easy's and she gon' buy her new Yeezys. She gon' smoke with the baddest. She's my pusher to malice. She went out to Coachella and went and wrecked a new Tesla. Yeah, she one of a kind, can you tell? Swerve on me, swerve on me. I love you, but you hate me.
All right, you guys, so this is what the wall is looking like right now. Don't pay attention to this right here. All of that excess has to get cut, as well as the top. So if it looks like it's just because, you know, I like to provide a little bit extra. And then we're gonna go through with the razor and cut the top off to get all that even. But yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. I like it. Whew, y'all, when I tell you I'm out here sweating, your girl's sweating. But yeah, this is what it looks like, so.
Swerve on me, swerve on me. I love you, but you hate me, yeah. Gucci now, yeah, tell him Gucci now. She the apple of my eye and she gon' rock that new Chanel. I hit LA in the summer when the Bonnie's for the sale. Went from college dormitory, exclusive parties in the hills. Pop star, she a 12, 21, like Adele. If she sees it, she gon' spend it. Buy the Benz's caramel. Fell in love with an actress, yes, a bad bitch with the rap sims on the mattress. She's a savage. I know, you could fall in love for the first time, but I tell you, I gotta go. I'm in love, in love, in love. Swerve love you, but you hate me, yeah. All for you, all for you. I needed you. It's all for you, it's all for you, for you, for you.
Alright you guys, so we have come to the end of this video, and if you enjoyed this content, do me a quick favor, make sure that you like, comment, hit the subscribe button and ding that notification bell, and go ahead and show some support and love. This way I know each video that you guys like, and I know what to put more of out there. I will see you guys all in the next vlog or in the next how-to. Stay tuned, and I hope you all enjoyed. Bye.
On me, swerve on me. I love you, but you hate me, yeah. Rockstar Cobain, Shane stays by plane. All she want is quick fame. Gotta rollie with the face, dripping like Selena. Always chiefing on sativa. I don't care about it all. I just hit the pack and go. Look, Tesla skirt whipping all across the countryside. She from the valley, probably spend all of her daddy's money. Why? She gon' put it on her face, and she burning on the side. Instagram model status. She was born up in July. After party.